Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing keys and a clean Ryujinx install. You need prod. Keys placed in Ryujinx's keys folder so the emulator can decrypt games. Once done, dump your own Switch game files with homebrew tools. Make sure to dump as XCI or NSB depending on your workflow. You do this because Ryujinx needs decrypted content to run titles. Finally, verify files aren't corrupted by checking file sizes and hashes before continuing to installation. Next, add your dumped games into Ryujinx. You can install NSB files directly from the emulator's menu or point the game directory to a folder containing XCI files. Doing so registers metadata and icons. Once added, make sure the title ID and region match expectations and confirm the game shows in your library. If you installed updates or DLC, install them in order so the base game sees the content. That prevents missing assets and launch errors. Finally, configure Ryujinx for play and launch. Set the graphics backend and resolution to suit your GPU, enable shader cache to reduce stutter, and map controllers so inputs are correct. Once configured, launch the game and let it build shaders. This may take time on first run. If the game fails to start, check the Ryujinx log for missing keys or corrupted files. Make sure you installed updates/DLC in proper order, and try switching the graphics backend as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.